We're getting ready for Easter with our friend Janine Washle from Cloverfield's Farm and Kitchen. Now, this morning we're talking about my favorite dessert, Janine.
This is a carrot cake, and we're going to put a little twist on it, and we're going to call it a carrot poke cake.
Okay.
Poke cakes are the types of cakes where you bake them in a sheet pan, and then you poke holes in the top, and you pour like Jell-O, and then the Jell-O runs down. But with this particular cake, we are going to do a really neat trick, and I want to show you. Actually, you know what?
What's that?
Sterling, why don't you do this?
Okay.
Now you see how we've got our toothpicks set up here, and that helps us keep our rows straight.
Gotcha.
But it serves another purpose. Put this little contraption over the top. This is called a cupcake corer, but you could use a paring knife, just anything that's going to, even a melon baller. And then look, you take the toothpick and that helps you get that little piece of cake out.
You sure you don't call this a doodad, Janine?
Well, you know what? It could be a
hootis?
whatchamacallit,
Right.
a doohickey,
Okay.
you know, so yes, it's all of those things.
It gets the job done.
It does get the job done. Excellent. And then we're gonna come in with homemade cream cheese frosting. Watch this little trick.
Okay.
And then we fill up our holes. Here, you do a few of those.
Okay.
And then that's where the frosting stays. We really load it up with the frosting, and then we make a pretty little circle of frosting around those just to make it look pretty. And so you see how easy it is. So we've baked our homemade carrot cake, and then we've filled our holes. So we've got tons of frosting. Each one of those will be a slice. And then let's switch it out with this one that I've almost got done.
Okay.
And look what I did. I took the strawberries and I dipped them in orange chocolate, white chocolate coating, and they look like little carrots. So
That's
we're going to
great.
play on that whole April Fool's, because April Fool's and Easter overlap each other this
Right.
year. So we're going to take our little carrots,
Okay.
and we will take those like this and just stick them into our little holes. And then we've got a carrot cake that looks like a garden plot.
I love it.
There we go.
Let me sample this.
Why don't you sample that? And
This
then we've
carrot
got
cake.
some buttermilk chocolate cupcakes over here with cream cheese frosting, a little toasted coconut, and something really cute, strawberry cobbler. What do you think about that?
I think
the carrot
this
cake is
phenomenal.
moist.
This is my third piece, Janine. It's so good I have to go back.
Oh my goodness.
Not seconds, thirds.
It is really delicious. It's really moist. It's got 2 cups of grated carrots in it, a teaspoon of cinnamon, so it's got loads of flavor in that cake.
All right, thank you so much for stopping by the show.
You're welcome. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter to you as well. For more
Thank you.
information on Janine Washle, go to WDRB.com.